My name's Alex. I do tool reviews, tips, and how-to videos. Today we're at my local supply house looking at DecTec. I've used a product similar to this or this exact product over 10 years ago on a balcony patio. I was really impressed with it. Whenever anybody thinks about or inquires into putting patio furniture on a roof, this is the product that I recommend. Unfortunately, I haven't done it since then. It was a one and done for me, but it left a real lasting impression on me. I love the color, the multi-spec colors. I believe it comes in different colors also, but it's the texture on it. It gives it grip. You don't have to worry about slipping on it. This is a PVC product, similar to TPO. I also recommend TPO to other people, even though it's not as nice and it doesn't have the textured finish. Normally, this is applied to concrete patios. So, being that you can't mechanically fasten it like a TPO. So, they put down their adhesive, embedded into it, and it doesn't move. There's no mechanical fasteners, which is awesome. TPO has similar options, but not like this. Although, I'm sure if you have a wooden substrate and the fasteners don't bother you, I'm sure you could do that also. Here's an illustration from the manufacturer's video on YouTube on how they install the product. I'm familiar with welding TPO. I'm sure PVC is similar. It's just a slightly hotter installation. But they have a little introductory video. And that's it. I'll be quiet. What we're saying here is they're using a heat gun. This is a Leicester brand heat gun, which I own and operate. That's a neoprene roller, which is dense rubber. It's really forgiving. They seem to do two passes. They go deep in, make a first connection to block off the heat from under the roll. Then they go back for the second pass. It would appear like they're doing a 2-inch weld, which is nice. I know TPO manufacturers, they want minimum 2 inches. That's PVC coated metal. Right here, he's probing or checking the seams, making sure they're tight.